In this video, we will go over the question for removing duplicates from a sorted array and come up with a potential algorithm to solve the question. We are asked, given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Since it is impossible to change the length of the array in some languages, you must instead have the result be placed in the first part of the array nums. More formally, if there are k elements after removing the duplicates, then the first k elements of nums should hold the final result. It does not matter what you leave beyond the first k elements. Return k after placing the final result in the first k slots of nums. Do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with constant extra memory. In terms of a strategy to solve this problem, here's what I am thinking. We will have a variable last element that holds the first element in the array. It will be updated to store the last element we processed on the prior iteration. We will also have a variable initialized to the amount of items in the array. We will iterate over each element in the array, starting with the second one. If that element matches the value stored in last element, we know that it is a duplicate. We will set it to 101 and then decrement count. Else we will set last element equal to the element that we just processed. At the bottom of the function we will sort the array and then return count.